Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up VPN on RedMagic 10R. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Turbo VPN and click search, and then select this application and click install. Now click open and then click agree and continue. Then you can close this ad and click allow and click consent. Now click on this button to start your VPN and click OK. And you can close this ad, and as you can see I'm connected to VPN United States. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.